seen how the setup looked before. Now you're going to see the process of getting it to what it looks like now. So starting it off over here, coming in the door, the first thing we added, no keychain holder. You got a place for your keys as you walk out the door. Also, Viking bathrobe. Still got the being nice is something stupid people do to hedge their bets tapestry. It's great, along with our wall of Apple boxes, our Unis Honest tapestry, Memento Mori. The art piece we picked up at TwitchCon looks absolutely incredible. We got our RTX 3070 box, a PS3, a PS2, the Thor Love and Thunder popcorn buckets, and then a bunch of cups we'll look at in a bit. Straight down, you got the bed, you got the Alex drawer nightstand, which definitely is a nightstand for sure. Coming over here, you got the first closet. Hello there. This is a regular closet. This is some drawers, or some shelves, rather. LTT store backpack. All the fancy stuff. Storage up there, baseball mitts, tech stuff, stuffed animals, apparently. I don't fucking know. Lots of stuff. New closet just for the jersey collection. Apparently we've got a In-N-Out shirt in there as well. Moving over, you got the dresser that used to be where this closet is with the TV on it. And then here's where the big difference is. There used to be a couch here, but now we're looking at the two chairs and what it has become the Scuffed As podcast set. Gotta have the Jordan, LeBron, Kobe poster. Some nerd stuff, the Black Ops 2 poster, obviously. The TwitchCon shadow box with the autographed badge, a bunch of other stuff, and then a note from Emerson Corleone. Got the pin board there, tons of pins. Up above that, you got a bunch of cups, basically. Wakanda Forever popcorn buckets. Ant-Man cup, G Fuel cans. Here we've got my Avatar The Last Airbender ramen bowls. I broke both sets of chopsticks for the water ones never showed up. Broke the fire ones. So. Sorry, the air ones. That is air. Bunch more cups. Scuffed As podcast stuff. The Brains Are Weird banner. TheGeekSlays.com. Actually, the banners aren't for sale anymore. But at least not yet. Got the old setup. Most of this hasn't changed. We do have a new shelf. Got some shoes. Got my comic books and then my role-playing game books. Cookbooks in the middle here. But I needed the role-playing game books for the D&D games we do on Fridays. I need to be able to get quick access to those. Got Game of Thrones here. Dice sets here. Lego Infinity Gauntlet flipping off the stream in the background. The shelf that's always been there, we got snacks now, though. One chip challenge, maybe I'll do it one day, I don't know. It was supposed to happen on the birthday stream, we never met the goal, don't know what to do now. We got our gargoyle arm light that I got at Halloween time, and then just thought still fit the vibe of, like, D&D streams. Bulb's gone dead, though. Still got the Ether poster, it's incredible. Then we've got the editing station. We've got my main TV, the 27-inch iMac, a bunch of journals, my SSD, podcasting mic, iPad, lotion apparently. Then we've got the coffee/snack bar. Keurig, microwave, mini fridge, what more could you need? Then we still have the standing desk, 3 MSI monitors, still rocking the Go XLR, got the Xbox Series X. Added a PS5, so been loving that, the digital edition, because it was cheaper. Still rocking the same PC, so an Intel Core i9-9900K. Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 cooler. A 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z. RAM, a 3070 Ti. This is an ROG Strix card. Inside the Lian Li LANCool Mesh 2. Still rocking the Shure SM7B. Upgraded to the Logitech G Pro Superlight. Loving it. Love the pink too. It's nice. LTT store water bottle.
Going crazy.
time to reset up the desk and PC. This should be fun. Now it's time for the most fun part of this video. Let's build a PC. Alright, so we start with our motherboard. NZXT B650E, same one we used for Wonder's build, I believe. Now, with our motherboard out, we then move on to our CPU. We went Ryzen 9 7900X3D. Get your CPU out, grabbed by the edges, and line up your arrows, and down she goes. Little jiggle to make sure she's in place. Down this guy goes, and down and in. So next, we got our RAM. We've got 64 gigs of Trident Z5 DDR5. This kit is 6,000 megatransfers per second, cast latency 36. We went the black and white. You'll see that as a theme throughout the build. Firm pressure, straight down, in she goes. Do the same thing with your second stick. Next thing we've got is our Crucial P5 Plus. Take her, and you be shaky as hell about it. You go in at a bit of an angle, and you realize you don't have your screwdriver. Now you take your wonderful LTT store screwdriver, your custom one you built at LTX, and you go ahead, give it a screw. Now that we're here, for now, we'll take this and set it out of our way, and we will bring in our NZXT Kraken 360. This is our cooler this time. Instead of going air-cooled, we're going water-cooled. So we go ahead and place these all the way around on all four.
So going crazy.
So something that was supposed to be a quick 3-day project suddenly turned into a full week, and half of the footage got lost because phone died at some point. So that's fun. But I guess it's time for the official room tour 5.0. This one's very different. So starting when you first enter the doors, you got the new closet that I built into the wall. That's cool. The doors aren't here yet, and I'm not waiting another month to make this video. So boom, closet, stuff. Coming over, we now have the Unisonus tapestry, the bed. Hey, that Black Ops 2 poster's in the same spot. Got my Deadpool key ring, gotta love that. Coming over, we have a full-length mirror. We actually have a mirror now. Hi, what's up? Jordan poster, all the cups and stuff along the roof. Nobody cares. Then over here, we've got the TV. Apparently, we're watching Bengal do a Madden rebuild. I don't know. Entertainment center with books and coffee and all the shit. Mini fridge, as per usual. Here's where it starts to get different, though. 3D printer, Creality Ender 3... No. Ender 3 Neo V2. Lot of words. Haven't printed anything with it yet. Just got it set up last night. So, woo. down here we've got snacks, stuff for upcoming videos, battery pack, some basic stuff. But I think what you all wanted to see, the new setup. So as you walk over here, you got our pins, you got the shadow box from TwitchCon last year. You've got these IKEA, I can't, upsole maybe, it's whatever, some sort of pegboard. Shelves built into the wall with all sorts of collectibles and goodies, all sorts. Ether poster. Over here we have our wall of names from all of the different subathons and birthday streams and whatever. Pay attention, in a couple months we're doing another one. Then we've got our setup right here, just chilling. Hi, you can see me on OBS. So we're rocking the same keyboard, same mouse, same monitors. Added a fourth, which is just a TV that was a spare. But this guy is what's different, at least mostly. That and the tabletop. I'm so excited about this. I almost forgot to record the best part. Gotta get all these nice peely boys. Oh, that's a lot prettier looking. And one final peely boy. Maybe start from this corner, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I almost fucked up the peely boy. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can tell the black and white build, but the black and white build. Hopefully streams are back by the time you're seeing this video, because if not, there's a major problem. But thank you to everyone who watched and supported. Appreciate y'all so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.